inn4industry.tv.
Systems optimization, control innovations, simulation and modelling technologies. These are some of the main topics discussed by the speakers present at inn4mech, and according to them, transport in the future will be even more technologically advanced and sustainable.
We have to make sure that choices we make today they are not going to affect what's going to happen, in the future. And so, from a powertrain standpoint, what it means is that we have to use and improve hybrid powertrains in a way that not only we can achieve the maximum out of electrification. So, at the same time, since we're still using internal combustion engines, we have to make sure that those engines do not emit, too much CO2. What's clear today is that government, industry and academia, they all have to work together to achieve the same goal. So the problems we are trying to face today are very complex. They require expertise in electrochemistry, in catalysis and in control, in modeling and so forth. So we can't really address those problems by ourselves.
The soil is our base where we grow our food, and if we damage it, then we do not have not sustainable processes and have not machines which make our customers, the farmers, able to do sustainable business. Then we will damage the future of the earth, and therefore we have to take care that everything what we are doing, we have to in mind that this is a sustainable approach for everybody.
inn4mech First Edition has been visited by 160 guests, technicians, researchers and entrepreneurs, who have also had the opportunity to visit the Pro M facility labs. Between all the brands, also Ducati Energia took part at the event, with an electric autos prototype and a hub which transforms any kind of bike into an assisted pedalling vehicle.
You can get in touch with other people from other companies, from universities, from research centers. So it's something that you receive in return from this experience. Yeah, for sure, it's something that helps. Yeah, in your work, everyday work.
My company invited me to take part to inn4mech in order to have a training day about Industry 4.0, sensor technology, the powertrains, the future in automotive. For sure, the topics were at the state of the art nowadays.